Hi guys, I'm Richard Dixon Pasinio. I'm 18 years old and I am grade 11 student of Tagaluan National High School. This is my first video in my YouTube channel and I'm so sorry sa kuan Bisaya kay kog pero English ko. I would like to introduce my hometown. This is simple rap pero importante na ipuyanan. And this is the boy band. This is RM. This is I don't know who is he. Welcome to my province. I'm here in outdoor. Oh, here they are. Sa amin, ano na, gabi. It's already 6. Oh, look at the moon. Dito nga pala ako naliligo. I'm sorry kasi hindi ako mukhang artista pero tunay ko lang sa sarili ko.